In this video, I'll show you how to make a potion of slow falling in Minecraft. So all you need for this potion is a phantom membrane. You can get this from a phantom. If you don't go to sleep, they'll come and you can kill them pretty much. So we go to our brewing stand and we'll put our membrane in. Now I'll pour awkward potions in. If you want to learn how to make these, you can click the card in the top right corner right now. And we'll let that brew. So once those potions are finished brewing, we have now got slow falling for 1.5 minutes. So if we take one out and we put some redstone in, we can extend the time. So now we've got slow falling for 4 minutes. And we can put some gunpowder in and turn them into splash potions. So now we've got our splash potions. If we go out, jump on this tree, and as you can see, we've got the effect. Now if we jump off this tree, we should fall pretty slowly. And now we're just gliding down. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.